What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best steam irons in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Starting our list of reviews, with the reliable, Velocity 270 ear steam iron. Best smart steam iron in 2022. Reliable continues to make improvements to its Velocity line of steam irons and our experts are fans. We haven't tested this model in the lab yet, but we tested an older version, the 200 ear, which has many, though fewer, of the features of this new model that our experts found comfortable to hold and had very powerful steam production. It uses touch sensor technology to release steam as soon as you grasp the handle and has a helpful chart on the base of the iron that tells you what each number on the settings dial means. The 270 ear takes the guesswork out of ironing, making it a great option for all skill levels. With an 8.2-foot long cord, 8 fabric settings, and an auto shutoff bypass, you can steam through big batches of clothing easily. Keep the auto shutoff option on for safety and it takes just 8 minutes to kick in. It's pricier than other irons on this list but uses 1,800 watts, a bit more powerful than the others. Up next, the SUNBEAM Corded-Cordless Steam Iron. Best cordless steam iron in 2022. Use this SUNBEAM iron to get out those pesky wrinkles without the hassle of a cord, or use it with the cord for longer periods of steam and heat without placing it back on the base. The 1,500 watt steam iron offers up to 60 seconds of continuous heat and steam in cordless mode and quickly reheats in 25 seconds when placed back on its base. Its LED indicator tells you when the iron is losing heat in cordless mode, so you can get it back to its base to reheat. The base actually attaches to the rear of the iron. It isn't bulky and it's still very light relative to other irons we tested, even with the base attached. Plus, it's a solid deal, especially for a 2-in-1 product. In the lab, we found the vertical steam function very strong, and all of the controls intuitive and easy to use. It takes 30 minutes to automatically shut off, a little longer than others we've tested. Moving on to the next, the ROWENTA DW3261 Smart Temp Steam Iron. Best steam iron for beginners in 2022. The ROWENTA Smart Temp Steam Iron is designed to iron all fabrics at optimal heat, without any temperature dials. While we haven't tested this exact model in our lab yet, we tested a similar model from ROWENTA with the same smart temperature function. It earned the highest average score for wrinkle removal and was rated the second highest in our lab performance tests. To start ironing, just fill the reservoir with water, plug in the iron and press away. Our experts noted that because the water tank isn't transparent, it is a little difficult to tell how much water is inside. With over 600 reviews on Amazon, our experts aren't the only ones loving this steam iron from ROWENTA, with one reviewer saying, "I am most impressed with the amount of steam generated by this iron." A stainless steel Soleplate and anti-calc system to keep your steam iron working and looking good is new for years to come are the icings on the cake. Up on our list of reviews, the CONAIR ExtremeSteam Pro Iron. Fastest heating steam iron in 2022. The CONAIR ExtremeSteam Pro GI 300 iron has a heat-up time of fewer than 60 seconds, even at the max heat setting. It also had top scores in our steam-producing tests and it successfully de-wrinkled cotton, wool, silk, and linen test fabrics, so you can count on it to get out tough wrinkles. This iron has rubber feet to help keep it stable and make it less likely to tip over, but it was a little bulky to maneuver. The transparent water tank helps you see exactly how much water is in the reservoir. Tip: avoid drips by only filling it up to the max line. This good housekeeping seal holder is corrosion resistant, thanks to its anti-calc collector and self-cleaning function. With adjustable temperature settings, a continuous vertical steam that doesn't drip or spit, and a misting function that doesn't leave fabric too damp, the ExtremeSteam Pro has all of the features our experts look for in a great steam iron. Finally, the CHI Steam Iron with titanium infused ceramic Soleplate. Best overall steam iron in 2022. You may be familiar with the CHI brand from its hairstyling tools, and, thankfully, what CHI has done for hair they are now doing for what you wear. This CHI model not only smoothed tough-to-iron fabrics like linen and heavy cotton superbly, but it also had the most powerful steam burst of any iron in our test. It's comfortable to hold, and once you've turned the fabric selection dial, the illuminated display makes it easy to see that you've made the right choice. The water chamber is large and easy to fill, and the retractable cord means it takes up less storage space. We found the scratch-resistant ceramic Soleplate especially easy to glide across fabrics. This iron is such a lab favorite that whenever someone comes in to borrow an iron, we hide this one away. Take note that we did find this iron easy to tip over. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.